mechanisms, which involves the inclusion of elders in conflict resolution, which I do agree with, that it is a very viable.
Embakasi East MP Ongili Owino, popularly known as Babu Owino, has recently been admitted to the bar as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, marking a significant milestone in his illustrious academic and political journey. This achievement, celebrated on May 23, 2025, at the Supreme Court of Kenya, underscores his relentless pursuit of knowledge and public service. To stay updated on inspiring stories like Babu's and more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and insights. Born on October 10, 1989, in the Nyalenda Slums of Kisumu, Babu overcame a challenging upbringing. Raised by a single mother who sold chong traditional liquor, to support the family, he faced poverty head-on, often walking barefoot to school. His academic brilliance shone early, scoring 403 to 500 in his 2002 KCPE at Kisumu Township Primary School. He joined Kisumu Boys High School, where he excelled in his 2005 KCSE, earning an A- with 79 points. Despite an offer from Egerton University for a business management degree, Babu's passion led him to the University of Nairobi, UON, in 2008, where he pursued a bachelor's in Actuarial Science, graduating with first-class honors in 2012. His thirst for knowledge didn't stop there. He returned to UON in 2013 for a Bachelor of Laws, LLB, earning second-class upper division honors, followed by a Master's in Law and another in Actuarial Science. In 2024, he began a third Master's in Economics, and in 2023, he received an honorary doctorate in political leadership from Weldios University in Benin. Babu's political journey began at UON, where he became a transformative figure as the chairperson of the student organization of Nairobi University, SONU, in 2011. Known as Comrade Babu, he championed student rights, leading protests and advocating for tuition reviews and increased HELB allocations. His 4-term tenure as SONU chairman made him Kenya's longest-serving student leader, cementing his reputation as a charismatic and fearless advocate. Transitioning to national politics, Babu contested the Westlands MP seat in 2013 but lost. Undeterred, he ran for Embakasi East in 2017 under the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, ticket, winning decisively and retaining the seat in 2022 with 60,856 votes. His tenure as MP has focused on youth empowerment, education reform, and community development, earning him a 72% approval rating in a 2025 Infotrak poll, ranking him among Kenya's top-performing MPs. Despite controversies, including a 2020 shooting incident involving DJ Evolve, Babu has shown resilience, addressing legal challenges while maintaining his commitment to philanthropy, notably offering scholarships to underprivileged students. His recent admission to the bar, following the Advocates Training Program and pupillage, highlights his dedication to legal reform, exemplified by his 2023 Legal Education Amendment Bill. As Babu eyes the Nairobi gubernatorial seat in 2027, his journey from Nyalenda's slums to a high court advocate inspires many. Subscribe to our channel to follow his evolving story and other impactful narratives.
From the natural school of thought, it states clearly that law should be just, that an unjust law is not law, as was opined by St. Augustine of Hippo in that natural school of thought, and also St. Thomas Aquinas were the two proponents of the natural school of thought. Then moving very fast, Mheshimiwa Didmas, we have also the positivist. I want to marry these two so that we know where the society will move to. The positivist, as a school of thought, states that Mheshimiwa kidogo tu. The positivist school of thought states clearly that law should be written law, and that is what now at times we use in our constitution and also in the courts. And also the courts can make laws through the realism. That the positivists argue that a law should just be written, and that there need not to be morality as part of a law. That law can exist without morality. Then we remember during Hitler's time, during the Holocaust, when the Nazi Germans were killing the Jew. During that period, it was correct. It was in written laws the positivist, who is a HLA Hart professor, said clearly,
Babu.
just Mheshimiwa, this point is very important and urgent because I don't want these elders to make wrong laws and just terminate people unfairly. So please just hang on my lips. Thank you, Chairman. So HLA Art said that, that there should be no relationship between law and morality. And therefore, he was supporting the idea that Hitler ought to have just killed the Jews because it was written laws. Then Professor Lon Fuller, not Professor, but Lon Fuller, during that debate of HLA Hart versus Lon Fuller, they were arguing. And Lon Fuller challenged Hart, chairman. He challenged Professor HLA Hart and said that yes, it is written law that people ought to have been killed as per the German rules. But was it moral? Then that is at that point Hart changed his heart and said that indeed, as much as it was written law, then the Jews ought not to have been killed. So what I'm trying to say is this. Most of these elders, can be political. And me and you will be the first victims if we don't send them something. Because they can decide to make unfair laws or unjust laws. So my question is, which type of laws, as they resolve to alternative dispute resolution mechanism, will they be using? But the idea itself is a brilliant idea. Thank you.